Today we are going to learn graph of a linear equation in two variables. Before that, you have obtained the solution of a linear equation in two variables algebraically. That means by putting the values of the variable, we find out the solution of the equation. Now let us look at their geometric representation. Okay, as we all know that such equation has infinitely many solutions. How can we show them in a coordinate plane? So for that, I am taking the one example here and plot the point on the coordinate plane. Now x plus 2y is equal to 6. I am taking this equation and we are writing here the sum solution of the given equation. 0 3, that means whenever I am taking the value of x is equal to 0 and put out here, then 0 plus 2y is equal to 6, then 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 upon 2, that means 3. That means for every value of x we will get the corresponding value of y. Okay, and the same as I am writing here the sum solution of the given equation. Now we plot this point in the Cartesian plane. In this previous chapter, you study how to plot the point on a graph paper. So now let us plot this point on a graph paper. So 0, 3. 0, that means value of x and y. 0, 3. 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 4 and 1. 4 and 1. 6, 0. Okay, now I am joining these points, then I will get the straight line and I am giving the name line is AB. Now pick another points on this line, say 8 minus 1. Is this a solution? Now we check it, is this a solution of the given equation or not? So what is the equation? X plus 2y is equal to 6. Now put out the values of 8 and minus 1. So after putting the value, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 1, we will get it the 6, that means right hand side. That means 8 and minus 1 is a solution of a given equation. And if we see that, then 8 and minus 1 is also having in this line. Now we pick any other point on this line and verify whether its coordinate states satisfy the equation or not, or we take the point that does not lie on the line. Now we take the point 2, 0 and verify by the solution. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 0. Now whenever we put the value, when we put the value in the given equation, we get it the 2 and 2 is not equal to 6. That means 2 and 0 is not the solution of the given equation. Is it? 2 and 0 lie on this number line, not the lie on the line AB. Now let us list our observation, what we observe that. So the first observation is every point whose coordinate satisfy equation lie on the line AB. As we see that the 0, 3, 2 and 2, 4 and 1 and 8 minus 1 are satisfy the equation, or we say that the solution of the equation that lie on the line AB. Now the second point is every point AB, suppose I am taking any other point on the line AB, gives a solution. Always the first value is represent the x and another is to be the y. Okay, understood? So x is equal to a and y is equal to b of the equation. Okay, and suppose if I am taking the 0, 3 is the solution, so x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Now the third observation is any point which does not lie on the line AB is not a solution of equation. As we see 2, 0 is not a solution of the given equation. So for the basis of that one, now what is the linear equation? That means the graph of the linear equation is a linear equation in two variables is represented geometrically by a line. whose point make up the collection of the solution, whose point make up the collection of a points. Collection of the solution of the equation is called the graph of the linear equation. So whenever we mention the point on a line, that means we mention the point and join the point, that we line we get it. This is the graph of the linear equation in two variables, and this is the definition. A linear equation in two variables is represented geometrically by a line whose point make up the collection of a solution of the equation is called the graph of the linear equation. Okay, I hope you all understood how we locate, how we draw the graph of the linear equation, or how we locate the points on the graph paper or Cartesian plane. Okay.